this week we have two topics that we're looking at. The first is the U.S. healthcare system, and the second are legal aspects of healthcare. So our objectives for this week is by the end of this module, you should be able to discuss the United States healthcare delivery system, and you should recognize the fundamental principles of healthcare law, knowing that ethics we'll be looking at next week. So our activity this week are for you to read and take notes on several articles that I have here. So the standard of care article, a duty of care in healthcare, what it means to you, 5 legal issues in nursing everyone needs to know. Now I know it says nursing, but it really does apply to all allied health professions. Then there's an infographic to look at of the 4 E's of a reporting culture, and then 25 medical mistakes. Once you've gone through those, you want to watch and take notes on the introduction to the U.S. healthcare system video lecture and legal aspects of healthcare video lecture. When you've finished that, you want to go and complete and submit your the doctor assignment. You started this last week, but I'm giving you 2 weeks to complete it. So if you haven't completed it and submitted it yet, go ahead and submit it by the end of this week. Therefore, there is no discussion board this week because you're going to be concentrating on finishing that assignment up and doing well on that assignment. And then you want to add the professionalism and healthcare section to your digital portfolio. If you have questions, feel free to post them on the Class Cafe discussion board, or email me, or see me during office hours.